Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Jenkins on Windows. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'm going to make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type Jenkins, download and press enter. You'll get the official link of Jenkins. Now, if you look over here, there are two versions to download Jenkins. One is the LTS, that is the long-term support, which will get frequent updates. Okay. On the so we are going to download for Windows. Jenkins is also available for different platforms like Docker, Kubernetes, okay, Red Hat Linux, and all these are the Linux distributions like OpenSUSE, Free, BSD. But we are going to download for Windows. I'll select Windows. Now this is going to start download of the setup file. Now we'll click on open. Let me minimize the web browser. Click on next. This is the default directory where Jenkins will get installed. Then click on next. Over here, you need to change logon type, run service as local system, as we are going to add the user later on. Then click on next. Make sure you test this port as it should be available. You can, if you want, you can change the port number. Then click on next. Now it is looking for the Java 17 and 21. These are the supported versions for Jenkins. So Jenkins is dependent on the Java. It requires Java JDK to be installed. So now let's quickly download the Java JDK. We'll go back to the web browser. In the new tab, you need to enter JDK 21, download and press enter. You'll get this link Java downloads, select it. Scroll down, look for the JDK 21. Okay, click on Windows, select x64 MSI installer. Click on this download link. It is going to download the setup file of the JDK 21. Once setup is downloaded, click on open. I'll minimize this web browser. Click on next. Then click on next. Pop-up, select yes. So you can see the message Java Development Kit 21 is successfully installed. Click on close. So now we'll click on this change. Click on the Java folder. You'll find JDK 21. Select it. Click on OK. Click on next. Then click on next. Click on install. So completed the Jenkins setup. Click on finish. Now let's go back to the web browser. So on this page, you can see the changing boot configuration. By default, Jenkins runs at this URL. So this can be changed by editing jenkins.xml. Okay. So we'll open this link in a new tab. Right click and click select new tab. So to unlock the Jenkins, you need to enter the administrator password. Now the password is kept at this directory, at this location. I'll just copy this and open the URL. You can enter over here and paste it. This is the initial admin password file. Right click, open with notepad, and this is the password. Just copy it, and this you will need to paste it over here. Click on continue. Now customize Jenkins. We are going to install suggested plugins. So this will take some time. So now it is going to ask you to create first admin user. I'll enter the name. Then you can enter your full name. Click on save and continue. Then click on save and finish. Then click on start using Jenkins. So now that's how the interface of the Jenkins look. Okay, you can check the build history over here, and you can also create the job by clicking this button. This is where you can see the profile, and you can also sign out. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.